Hello, this is me showing my dev setup for the first project in Anaconda that we did. Here is my Anaconda Navigator. 3.10 is the name of it because I had to go through multiple setups and environments to find one that could actually allow me to finish the project. The initially stated one no longer worked, so I went ahead and found workarounds, and I will show you those workarounds. So we are then going to show you my README documentation. My final version in key libraries, I use Python 3.10.11, which is why this is named 3.10. For pandas, it's 2.3.3. Skykit Learning is 1.71. Why data profiling is 4.17. Each of these versions were tested. Some of them had newer variants that just didn't work with what I was trying to do. And the workarounds that I found were to have lower, older variants. So getting into it, you can see I'm actively in 3.10. We'll go ahead and just reopen Jupyter Notebook, which I guess because I already have it open, it's go in here, OneDrive, Intelligence, assignments, dev setup. We're gonna open this document. From here, this is me importing the iris data. This is me printing it into the sets, feature frames, target, seeing everything, how everything is ordered and how it is shaped. And here we have our first piece of visual data is the scatter plot, features, and the targets. It shows the data, but it doesn't really give you what the data is or what we're really trying to compare, but it's a good first one. Second is the iris dataset scatter plot, which is the sepal width and the sepal length with color coded of the different types of irises. And the problem with this one, though, is that even though the groups are up here, it doesn't have it in the actual diagram, which for me is a bit of a problem that you don't have it. And the next scatter plot to me is also organized in a lot better fashion because now we can really see a difference in the data. As you can see, we have one group here, and the little bit of bridge in between them, and then a separate group. This shows the difference in those groupings. Not even just by the colors, with the colors being kind of separated better in the data. And we see that there's not like a lot of crossover, just a very little bit here in the middle. On the next one is the histogram of the petal length in the data sets. We can see that it has that, that the flow, the up down, the not really a bell curve, but I guess then a bit of a bell curve, but with a spike in outliers, which is probably these right here being shown right here. Going down, it is the box plot. The box plot. The reason I really like this one though is it has petal length. It has that it's in centimeters, and we can see the medians of each data set. We can see the little bit of overlap here, but the main pieces do not overlap at all. And this shows even that greater distance between like 2 to 3 centimeters in petal length, which for petals is actually a very significant measurement difference. All this you can see where my imports are from, my loads, and how it's plotted in the data. Thank you.